In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to change your Facebook cover photo without posting. First of all, we have to update the Facebook app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Facebook. If you see any new update available, must update the Facebook app. Now go to your Facebook and log into your Facebook account and just go to your profile. Now tap this cover photo camera icon and selecting here upload photo. And now from my gallery, I'm selecting this photo, for example, for my new cover photo. Now you can zoom in or adjust the cover photo just like this. Once you're happy, just come to this bottom of this page. Here we have to uncheck this option, share your update to feed. Make sure to uncheck this option. Now just tap on save and we can see the cover photo is uploading. We can see the cover photo uploaded. I'm just reloading my profile and scrolling down. As you can see, the cover photo is not published to my Facebook. So this is how we can actually change our Facebook cover photo without publishing or posting. Thanks for watching.